I'm about to show you how to cook 3 varieties of rice using 3 different methods. For the boiling method, I'm going to use brown rice. For the rice cooker method, I'm going to use long grain rice. And then for the absorption method, I'm going to use basmati rice. So let's start off with boiling because that's the simplest. First of all, rinse your brown rice in a sieve. Drain, then transfer that into a large pot, and for every 1 cup of brown rice, you need about 6 cups of water. Bring to the boil and stir occasionally, then reduce the heat and simmer for 25 minutes covered or until the rice grains are tender. Taste the grains to make sure that they're tender all the way through, then drain through a sieve, and it's ready to serve. Next is using the rice cooker method. This is my favorite because I eat rice almost every day, and it is brilliant because you can just put it into the rice cooker and walk away. Before popping it into the rice cooker, rinse the rice and then drain in a sieve. Rice cookers will come with a measuring cup and notches up the rice cooker pot. All you need to do is match the number of cups of rice to the corresponding number on the notch. So for this method, I'm going to use 3 cups of rice. Then pop the lid on and set it to cook. When it's ready, it'll just stay on warm. For the best result, leave the rice for 5 minutes after cooking and then fluff it up with a rice paddle so that the grains are nicely separated. And it's ready to eat. Next, we're going to do absorption. As usual, rinse the rice in cool water, then drain through a sieve. This method is the same as a rice cooker, except you're doing it more manually on the stove. A really basic flavored rice that I love to do that's very versatile is just to simply caramelize some garlic and onion with either butter or olive oil, stirring that through the rice before adding chicken stock as the liquid content. It's absolutely delicious. Combine your rinsed and drained rice with the water, then bring to the boil. Then simmer covered for 10 minutes without stirring. You shouldn't see any liquid content, but large pits like someone's poked their finger through the surface of the rice. Turn the heat off and leave it covered, letting it sit for another 15 minutes without disturbing it. Then fluff it up with a rice paddle and it's ready to be served. So that's 3 varieties of rice cooked using 3 different methods. So whatever equipment you have the answer to perfect rice.